Sangeetha. I am working as an open source developer in Chipkidz for the past 3 months. Now I am going to say about glow effect in Flex. Glow effect. It provides a visual glow effect to the component. It animates the appearance and disappearance of the component. Now we have to see the syntax for that. We have to give the glow tag in the MXML application. We have to specify the ID, alpha from and alpha to value, from which position to alpha from is the initial position, alpha to the final ending position. Blur, it also has the blur effect, blur x from and blur x2 values we have to specify, blur y from and y2 value have to specify. Color, we can give any theme color of the application. Inner we can specify false or true. Knockout, we can give false or true value. Strength equal to 2. Now we can see the example for this glow effect. At first we have to create the MX application in Flex Builder. We have to give the glow tag in the MXML application, specifies the ID glow image and also for unglow. We have to specify the separate tag for unglow image. First we have created the panel. Inside the panel we created the text as glow image effect and unglow image effect, and specify the component, source, mouse down effect and mouse up effect. Mouse down effect as glow for glow image, mouse up effect for unglow image. Here we specifying the function in the script, MX script tag. Before defining the function, we have to import the classes, effect classes, mx.effects.star. We have to declare the properties for giving the values, alpha from alpha to blur x from x, blur x to blur y from blur y to duration. Here we are calling the glow effect function for glowing the image, alpha from values 1.0, alpha to values 0.5, blur x from 0.0, blur x to 100.0, blur y from 0.0, blur y to 100.0, duration as 2000, and we can specify the color here, or we can give the calling the play function for glowing image. Now we can defining the function for unblur effect. For this, reversely we have to give alpha from 0.5, alpha to 1.0, blur x from 100.0, blur x to 0.0, and blur y from 100.0 and blur y to 0.0, duration as 2000, and color we are specifying the color. Here we are calling the play function. Now we can see the result of this program by pressing the F11. We have to give a proceed. Now the result is launching. When clicking the mouse point at the image, the it glows, and when taking the mouse, it unglows. This is the glows and unglows effect. This is the glow effect and it is unglows effect. It is glow and it is unglows.